Hey everybody, welcome back to Plum Figgy. This is Tammy, and it is on Monday, and we're going to do week 27 in our Margarete Miller Collage journal. So here are the prompts for today. We've got something with a bumpy surface, anything that can blow in the wind, something in the shape of a triangle, lined paper, a number or numbers, and then bonus instructions. So kind of a, well, they're always random, but random list of things here. So something with a bumpy surface. I've got two potential things. So I found this page from, oh, what's the name of that thing? Well, it's from, I don't know, some kind of book I've got. I don't remember, but I feel like if you know what dice feel like, you know that they have a bumpy, well, not really bumpy, it's concave, but it's bumpy. And then I also grabbed these because these are actually bumpy, and they're just different frames, two smaller ones and then this one bigger one. So we'll see. I'll use one or the other. Anything that can blow in the wind, a bird can blow in the wind. So we've got a bird. Something in the shape of a triangle. Honestly, I might just draw a triangle. Oh, you know what? I got some stamps. I'll go get my stamps. I've got some stamps that are like kind of geometric shape. Maybe we can do that. Lined paper. I've got some tea-dyed lined paper here. Like that. A number or numbers. We've got some pretty great numbers. I might just use this number 5 because it's a little bit beat up. But yeah, some pretty great numbers in here. I wish I remember what this was from. If any of you know, please tell me, because I've been hoarding this because I don't want to use them up because I love them so much. And then bonus is instructions. I was looking through all my ephemera trying to find things. This is like kind of a postcard size, just piece of cardstock from a bit of ephemera. And it's like sewing instructions. So I thought that would be good for part of our background. So let me go get that stamp that I'm thinking of, and I'll be right back. Okay, so what I was remembering as triangles actually was really circles. I guess there are some triangles in here, but I don't know if that would really apply. Plus, I don't think these are really quite the right style for this. Sorry, excuse me. Hiccup us all of a sudden. I don't think that these are quite the right style for what we're doing here. So I'll figure something else out for the triangle part of it. So, okay, I think this one could be fairly simple, to be honest with you. I'll use this as part of my background. Obviously, we need our bird to go on this side of the page. Mark this so that I can get rid of part of the image. And then, yeah, I'll keep that for some scraps. Okay. So, I think I want to see what this bigger frame would look like on top of the bird. Get rid of this smaller one. Ooh, I didn't think through that one. Let's see. Let me just put it on the back side. This. Okay, so if I might need to cut off a little bit more. That's not really what I wanted to do. We could put a frame around that. Fancy that. Let's see. I was gonna do a frame around the bird, but maybe we'll do this instead. Yeah, I'll do that. So I don't want to commit to it just yet though, because we still need to do some kind of a triangle. I still got to put my lined paper down. I'm going to remove yeah, I'll remove some from the left side here. Oops. Getting a little crazy down at the bottom. And then we can put our instructions and our number 5 somehow on here. Doesn't mean anything really. What else are we missing? We've got something with a bumpy surface, which will be our frame. Oh, our triangle. Something in the shape of a triangle. So there's like some empty space there. I was thinking we could maybe draw a triangle or 2, maybe 1, no, maybe 1 down here. So I was thinking I've got this. This is pouring acrylic paint, so it's very, very loose paint. But I was thinking if we did some kind of metallic paint as our triangle, that could be kind of cool. I've also got these that I really do need to use up because they're gonna get dried up sooner than later. Which maybe I should try and use this one first because this one's newer. And yeah. So, okay, I'm going to glue this down. So, trying to decide how I want this triangle to be. We could do the peak of it kind of like this over here. Oops. Let's get this a little bit more in line. Okay. Where'd my paint? There we go. And then I need a paintbrush. Let's do this one. See how this goes here. Ooh, this might be done. Well, if it's not done yet, it's very close to being done. It's definitely not liquid anymore. It's more paste-like at this point. But I'm just going to do a rough triangle here. Doesn't need to be perfect, because it's not going to be. Now, I'm looking at this and I'm wondering, should I fill this in or should I just leave it be open? That's an interesting thought, isn't it? Let's see. We could do another one over here. Should I just go for it? Okay, let's do one down here. I kind of like that they're open and a little bit messy. And then let's do one here. Yep. 3 triangles. Does that sound good? I think so. Because, you know, triangles have 3 sides. Why not have 3 triangles? Ooh. I'm just going to drop everything. Okay, so I'm going to go clean my brush, let this dry, and I'll be right back. Okay, so those are basically dry. I'm going to glue my number down over here while this one continues to dry. I feel like maybe I should have 2 numbers on here, I think. Maybe. Because is it kind of weird just to have 1 number? I don't know. The whole thing is always weird, isn't it? I don't know, maybe I'm overthinking this. But first and foremost, we're going to get this one sorted. So let's do about there, and then I gotta make sure this glues the right way so that it's not poking down just a little bit. Okay, and then you can still make out that these are triangles. That's cool, huh? Let me pull out my numbers and see if there's anything that maybe, because there's these skinny ones too. We could do a 53, we could do a 35, number on top of number. Could do this kind of this way. Well, that's different. It's kind of cool though. Yeah, I think I like that. I'm gonna glue that down like that. Kind of a shame to not have the pretty floral side, but I think the 5 more than makes up for it, so. Okay. I liked how I had that placed. Is it like right there? Do you know what I forgot to do again? I forgot to put make a place for this. Oh well. I'll put it on the previous page. Okay, there's our numbers. Now, let me get my bumpy surface. I need to add some glue to that too. And this one's gonna be all done. Fancy that! Okay, there we go. It is fancy. I like this one. It's very strange, but at the same time, I really like it. Okay, there we go. So, collage for week 27, all done. Let me go ahead and put this in my pocket from last week. Yeah, I knew this is what was gonna happen. Oh, shoot. Let go. Let me see if I can make this just a little bit wider. Okay, now they won't. What do we got going on? We've got a 26, which is for this particular one. 25 and 27. Okay, that's fine. Not at all confusing. All right, well, yep, like I said, this one was surprisingly maybe kind of becoming one of my favorite collages. It's just different and understated and silly. So, all right, guys, hope you had fun with me, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.